Is the UK a good place for an entrepreneur to start a business?
Wow, what a question. I believe so. And I can tell you
Because, see,
there's,
this is another preconceived notion that I and other people have, I think, just that, United States, American dream, we're the easiest, best place to start a business. And you haven't started a business here, so you wouldn't know. But so you say it is. It's a good place to start a business.
yeah, it's easy for me to say I've done it, but I tell you what you get in the state. If we, without getting into holistic business, but if you look at the United States of America, you have a lot of what I don't know what you would call them, people that work from home with a CNC machine tool in the garage, don't you? It's literally a VMC, a Haas, a Mazak, a Doosan, whatever the brand is, in their garage at home.
Yeah.
I know of one in the UK. There's clearly there's gonna be more than one, but I can tell you there's not many.
Is
There
that because
really,
people don't own as many homes? There's not as much
I
space?
Yeah, good chance. Yeah, maybe our garages aren't as large as you guys, but you see a lot of what we call owner drivers. The managing director is the programmer who makes the tea. He cleans the shop at the end of the day, and he has a few people working for him. In fact, I did have a statistic here, whereas well, we can't find it, but it's something like 60% of machine shops have got less than 10 staff.
Hmm.
So clearly what we call SME, small to medium enterprises. There's a lot of those, but equally, like I mentioned previously, we've got a whole range of OEMs in various sectors, and clearly big tier ones as well.
Yeah.
To answer your
Interesting.
question, to answer your question directly, there's never been a better time. I don't know what it's like in the US. Never been a better time, even with COVID. I feel money's cheap at the moment. Lots of grants available. The machine tool dealers and OEMs are being very creative on how they choose to sell a machine tool at the moment.
So it's
Both
not
with
that hard to borrow money then in England.
No, it's not. There's some machine tool agents don't want a deposit, zero deposit, and then you can defer VAT, and then you can get a grant off the council if it's not in the best areas. They'll give you 3 to 6 months deferred payment on your rent, so you can pretty much. You want some liquid cash, don't you? Of course you do. But you can start up a machine shop, 1, 2 machines, very, very cost effectively. And of course, you can buy a used machine off you, cheaper still.
Hey, it happens. It happens. Oh, I wish more.